Welcome back to our channel! Hi guys! Ngayon na ulit kami nag-upload. We're going to take you with us on our Baguio trip. So ito na nga, dahil ito ay actually trip pa namin last May, pero ngayon na ulit kami nakapag-upload ng panibagong video. So ito is, we went there Sunday on a Mother's Day, last May pa po ito. So ito kasi is end na ng school ng mga bata. So, we made sure to spend time with them habang vacation. After this Baguio trip, abangan nyo, may upload pa rin kami ng La Union trip namin. And here, syempre, hindi mawawala sa aming video ang aming mga food trip ng family. Ito po is kompleto kami. 5 po kami dito with our kuyas, with our 2 kuyas, and our bunso. So, I hope you stay with us. Kasi as much as possible talaga, we spend more time with the kids. Kasi before when I was working, wala talaga ako halos oras sa kanila. When I get home, sobrang late na. Tapos dun pa lang kami magtuturuan for school. We don't get to bond. Kasi minsan on a weekend din, may trabaho kami ni Daddy. So, ito yung time namin to be with them. So, ito na nga po. Dahil nag-resign na si Mommy, we get to spend time with them. On our Baguio trip, we went first to Baguio Cathedral. This is a must namin every time na pupunta po kami ng Baguio because this was near the hotel that we booked. Actually, walking distance lang siya from Baguio Cathedral and also SM City Baguio. Sunday din po kasi ito, so we decided then na mag-mass muna kasi hindi po pwedeng hindi kami magmamas. So, here po ang aming hotel is the G1 Lodge Hotel in Baguio City. This is just across SM City Baguio. As in, it's in the middle. So, kung may kailangan kayong bilhin, ayan. So, magro-room tour muna kami ni Bunso. This is our room. We got the room na may 2 queen size bed. So, tabi si Kuya, 2 kuya natin, then kami ni Daddy, and also si Bunso, tabi-tabi kami matulog. Ayan. So, malinis sila. Actually, kompleto sila ng toiletries. Pero, syempre po, dahil ako ay overpacker na nanay, tayo po ay nagdadala pa rin ng sarili nating toiletries. And this is a must for me. Dapat kompleto po lagi ang aming sala. So, ito yung roof deck ng G1 Lodge Hotel. They allow you to go to the rooftop para medyo mag-relax. Actually, kahit maingay dun sa area na may mga sasakyan, pag nasa room ka na, hindi mo na masyadong, kasi it's really cold. Malamig pa rin itong time na to na pumunta kami kasi medyo umaambon-ambon pero na-enjoy pa rin namin yung trip dito. So, si Kuya namin na panganay is nagpapahinga muna siya kasi puyat siya from work. So, ito, syempre, dapat kakain po kami sa Good Taste pero sobrang puno. So, we end up eating syempre sa ating isang favorite, ang Sizzling Plate in Baguio, which is where the Sizzling Plate originally came from, yung mga nakita natin sa mga mall and also mga restaurants here. Dito po yan unang-una. So, syempre kami, nag-order si Kuya ng pork chop. Kami naman nila Daddy, nag-order kami ng sizzling steak. So, share lang kami ni Bunso. So, you must try. Tapos, after eating, naglakad lang kami actually dito. From Session Road to Sizzling Plate, then from Sizzling Plate to Session Road, in-enjoy namin yan. Kasi si Bunso gustong makita yung mga nagko-cosplay dyan sa gitna. So, ayan, picture-picture siya, video-video. So, actually, inaantay namin si Greenman, pero parang wala siya that time na pumunta po kami. So, ito na. Ayan, diba? Super enjoy. Diba si Michael Jackson na may extra. So, ito po, as much as possible, we recommend that you enjoy Session Road pa rin on the day. Kasi, syempre, iba pa rin yung sa gabi mas mai-enjoy nyo siya, lalo na kung may kids kayo. Medyo we prefer na mamasyal po tayo ng araw doon. Pero sa gabi may mga konting mga paganyan pa rin. So, ayan, may mga kids na nagdodraw sa road. Tapos yan si Kuya. Tinetest nila ni Daddy. Diba? Ang daming tao. We wanted to show you this road. Then, syempre, nagutom kami. Nag-dessert. So, nag-end up kami with viscos. It's a must pa rin. Syempre, kahit meron ng mga branches here in Metro Manila, we still want to have coffee and also cakes. Pero that time na pumunta kami, wala silang strawberry shortcake na slice lang. So, ayan, nag-mango shortcake kami. Then, blueberry cheesecake na favorite ni Daddy. Then, coffee. Then, si baby namin na girl is nag-strawberry shake siya. Ayan. Sarap. Alam mo, iba talaga pag dun ka pa rin kakain. Then, nung gabi, eto guys, we recommend this that you go there sa Kanto Bogchi joint. Sobrang sarap. Money-wise, sobrang okay yung prices nila. And, grabe ang serving. Akala namin, yung in-order namin, kulang pa sa amin. Diyos ko, nung dumating, pakarami. Tsaka, scenery-wise, yung itsura ng buong paligid, napakaganda. Kasi ayan, syempre, may chicken skin kasi gusto ng aking mga kuya na mag-order. Then, ayan, nag-order sila ng sausage with mashed potato. Then, si mami kasi that time is on diet kasi medyo malaki na po tayo. So, nag-salad lang tayo that night. Then, pero nag-cheat ako. Nag-ano pa rin ako, ice cream with turon. Then, the following day, we had breakfast. Syempre, doon na rin sa hotel. Kasi when we booked it in Agoda, ito yung aming kinuhang hotel with breakfast na yung kinuha ko. Syempre, 5 kami. So, bago mag-trip, at least busog yung mga bata. Wala silang buffet ng pag nag-check-in ka. Pero I think kapag nag-check-in ka sa kanila or you book with them with buffet breakfast, pwede ata. Pero iba yung price niya. Kasi this time, mura yung nakuha namin. Tapos ito, ayan. So, this is their, dun malapit sa reception area where you can have coffee. Dun sa next floor niya, is nandun yung buffet nila. You can also have breakfast there. I forgot the price eh. Tapos yan, nag-order kami ng fruit salad bowl. Then, yung mga kuya natin, nag-order sila ng adobo flakes. Siyempre, pag nasa Baguio ka, coffee is a must, diba? So, nag-brewed coffee kami ni Daddy. Tapos, ito, ayan. They also have tea. Pwedeng mag-tea ka, pwede kang mag-coffee. They also have sodas. Ayan. I think this was Kuya Waki's food. Tinapa flakes. Then, they have also tapsilog. Tapos, yan, pancake. This is their menu. So, I hope you guys try our recommendations. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on our next video. Bye!